How can I automatically welcome a new subscriber? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. Please subscribe to our channel in order to receive more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new or updated subscriber in Mailchimp. Then we'll be composing a welcome email using the AI wizard by Workload before finally sending that email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Mailchimp subscriber to AI wizard to Gmail. And we're going to pick our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And our triggering app is going to be Mailchimp. And our event is going to be a new subscriber. And make sure we're connected to our Mailchimp account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. The mailing list that we want this workflow to monitor is going to be my workload list. So we'll test our trigger. We have a new subscriber, and we can use this information in order to build our workflow. So we're going to click continue, and we're going to now compose an email for that subscriber using the AI wizard by Workload. So I'm going to come up here to my popular built-in tools section, click on the AI wizard by Workload. The event is going to be format data. The input data is really just going to be the name of our new subscriber, just here in the full name field. And then for a prompt, I'm going to paste this in. You are in charge of writing an email to this person, thanking them for joining our mailing list. Use their name in the salutation. Let them know that we have a lot of exciting upcoming promotions and events for our subscribers. Give them the promo code subscribe123 to get 10% off their first purchase in our band store. Structure the email like this. Dear input data, body of the email, thanks for your support, Big Mama Jamma Band. We'll test the action. And we have a success. So we'll click continue. We're going to add a step by clicking on the plus sign. We're going to use Google Gmail, which is here in my recent apps section. The event is going to be send email down here at the bottom. We're going to make sure we're connected to Gmail. 2 is the email address is going to come from that trigger. We're going to find the email address from Mailchimp. The subject is welcome to our mailing list. That came from the AI wizard. The body, we're going to say, dear and then from the AI wizard, we're going to find the recipient, comma, enter, and then we're going to click the plus sign, come back to our step 2 with the AI wizard, and click in the body. Then we'll click continue, and we'll test this action. And our email was sent. So we can click continue. I can go to my email and check my sent emails. And you can see that email was sent with our subject and our AI generated message. So we can go back to the workload editor. I can check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever we have a new subscriber to this particular mailing list, the AI wizard will compose a welcome email and then send it in Gmail. That's how you can use the AI Wizard by Workload to automatically create a welcome email whenever you have a new subscriber. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.